So now we will move on to structure of kidney. How exactly our kidney is present? Where is our kidney located? Okay. Our kidney is located just back of our abdominal cavity. Okay, there we have one pair of kidney, two kidney, and this kidney is of bean shaped. It is of the bean shaped, somewhat like this. You can imagine somewhat like this. Such two kidneys we have. Okay, such two kidneys we have. Okay, and this kidney, from kidney a set of tube comes down like this. This is called as ureter, and then bladder, urinary bladder. Ureter. It's the rough sketch of our kidney. So this is kidney. Kidney. This is ureter. This is urinary bladder. Urinary bladder, and this is urethra, the opening from where the urine passes out of our body. Okay, so this is the simple structure of our excretory system. Now, as I mentioned earlier, there will be a set of blood vessel which brings blood to the kidney. In the kidney, urine will get separated and the blood goes back to body. The urine which gets accumulated here pass through this ureter. It passes through this ureter. Okay, and it gets accumulated in the urinary bladder. It gets accumulated. In the urinary bladder, there are some cells. There are some sensory cells. Okay, so they can understand as the urinary bladder stretches. Okay, they come to know that now the bladder got filled with urine and now it's a time to release the urine. And then the urine is released out of it through urethra. The act of releasing urine is called as micturition. The act of releasing urine is called as micturition. Though we say that kidney is our excretory organ, but each kidney is made up of thousands of lakhs of small tubular structures called as nephron. And nephrons are considered as structural and functional unit of kidney. Nephrons are considered as structural and functional unit of kidney. Now let us study the basic structure of a nephron. How exactly a nephron looks and which are the various parts of a nephron. Which are the various parts of a nephron. See now, nephron. It is somewhat like this. Okay. Now this is called as Bowman's capsule. Bowman's capsule. Okay. So blood vessel enter in, and here the blood vessel divides and redivides. This is called as glomerulus. This is called as glomerulus. Okay. Then the blood vessel comes out. And this blood vessel, even they encircle the other part of nephron. I have not shown here. Now, this is the tubular part of the nephron. This part is called as PCT. PCT means proximal convoluted tubule. Proximal convoluted tubule. And this part is called as DCT. DCT means distal convoluted tubule. Distal convoluted tubule. And this U-shaped structure, this is called as Henle's loop. Henle's loop. And this structure is called as collecting duct. Collecting duct. So thus each nephron is the structural and the functional unit of kidney. Each nephron consists of a capsule-like structure called as Bowman's capsule. Then this tubular structure, the first part is PCT, proximal convoluted tubule. Last part is the DCT, distal convoluted tubule. This U-shaped part is Henle's loop, and this nephron enters into collecting duct. Another nephron comes and joins here. Another nephron comes and joins here. The blood capillaries, which is here inside the Bowman's capsule, which divides and redivides, and that is called as glomeruli or glomerulus. So this is the structure of nephron. So now in the next session, we will study how exactly the formation of urine takes place.